Assalamualaikum everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make and use a circuit in Tinkercad. So before we're going to go to Tinkercad, we need to understand how a circuit works. First, a circuit has a battery which powers the electricity to the circuit, and then it has some wires over here. We can do lots of stuff with circuits, like lighting this LED, which we're going to do in this video. So, as you can see, from the plus section of the battery, there's a resistor which basically slows all the electricity going through the circuit. And then, as you can see, it goes through the positive feed, also known as the anode. And then goes through the LED, and then goes out the straight one, which is a ground feed, which is a negative one, which is also known as the cathode, and then it connects to the minus side. And as you can see, the circuit is a loop, and all circuits have to be a loop, else it won't work. Now let's go to Tinkercad and let's make a circuit. Okay, so if you signed up for our class, you would see this screen once signed in, and yeah, you can do lots of stuff over here, like 3D design and circuits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a circuit. So click create your first circuit design. Once you click it, it will appear for you. And you can do lots of stuff. We can do Arduino and we can do microbit. But right now we're just gonna use a battery. So it takes the battery and just drag it and put it over here. Now what we need is a resistor, which is used to slow the current or the amount of particles going through the circuit. So we can rotate the circuit using this button and, and connect it to the positive terminal. Now, as I said earlier in this video, we're going to turn a light on. So bring the LED in, drag it in, and connect it. But we have to rotate it, or else it'll look a little funny. Yeah. Now we can, yeah. Oops. You can also flip using this button. So the anode has to be positive, and the cathode has to be negative. It always has to be like that, or else the circuit won't work. So usually when we're connecting a wire to negative, the wire has to be black. Or if we're connecting a wire to the positive end, it has to be red, as you can see over here. Now if we run the simulation, it's gonna work. So as you can see, the resistor right now is 1k ohm, which means it's 1000 ohm. But if you want, you can play around with the resistor and let's see what happens. As you can see, the LED right now is burning, and it's because there's too much particles going through it. And if we want to slow it down, we use the resistor. And if we have too much resistance, as you can see, the LED is very dim. So if you want to look, so now that you know how to make a simple circuit in Tinkercad, you can now play with it, and let's see what you can make. And yeah, that's it. Assalamu alaikum.